Hi, everyone, and welcome to Simple Marketing Academy. This is where small business owners, entrepreneurs, and solopreneurs come to learn very simple, cost-effective marketing techniques so they can gain more clients, make more sales, increase their revenue, and grow their business. My name is Jill Fox, and I am the co-owner of Fox Social Media. Along with my son, Tanner J. Fox, we help businesses, practices, and brands to market, advertise, and grow online. And we've been doing this since 2010. So happy to have both the Simple Marketing Academy podcast and the Simple Marketing Academy show on YouTube so that we can help all of you as well. So let's get started.
In this video, we're going to be going over some new free tools that will let you quickly and easily create any ads that you want for social media. So I'm on my screen now, and there's two different tools that we're going to be talking about that are completely free that will help you create any ideas for ads, create your ad copy, and even have different ideas for your images or videos that in the creative that you want to use on those ads. So these are somewhat new. And if you don't already have a business account for TikTok, the first of these is TikTok's tool. So they have a ad library and you can see the top performing posts in here, but they also have something called this Symphony Assistant over here on the top right. And it's their AI version of writing any copy or just getting ideas for any ads based off of what's already performing well with them. So you'll see we have a couple different options here. So just some of the things it can do, you can see provide TikTok insights. So show me what's trending on TikTok, and you can also explore this page. But it also has write TikTok ad scripts for you, or even brainstorm TikTok creative ideas. So I'm going to click into this write TikTok ad scripts, and you'll see just like any AI, it's going to start generating different ideas and a script for me as well. So right here, you can see it says write a script to promote a power bank with these selling points. So you feed it information like a normal chatbot, and it will write based off of it knowing that it's going to write a TikTok ad, and it will help structure that ad in ways that other ads have done that performed well. So if you go in here, you're able to see the whole script it gives you here, and even the scene and what on-screen visuals that you should be adding. And if you like this, you can put no if this was not helpful, which best describes you, and so on, and just give it more context. And it even gives you the hook in the scene for filming this ad if you wanted to. So if I wanted to, I could show some video examples. I could do any sounds for my scripts, any attention grabbers for my ad. So let's say I want a good hook. Let's see, write some attention grabbers for my ad, and it will give me some other ideas as well. So some hook strategies, and it gives me a couple here. So you can write with this, and you can see that how it can be beneficial and how it can be a lot quicker to create these ads. And again, this is structuring it off of things that have already worked and what it knows for previous ads. So this is a great way to get started. You will have to refine some of the stuff it gives you. It's not perfect, but it's a great way to get kind of a general outline done and then just fill in the blanks for what's needed. And you can see we do have this brainstorm TikTok creative ideas, but it kind of almost does it in here. Now I'm going to go into this just to show you what it can do. So now it says come up with creative ideas that tap into TikTok's trends to promote shoes. So right now it's going to give me some for shoes. And as I go down, you'll see it's giving me some different trends and ideas for videos and descriptions and other things of that nature, even hashtags. So you can see a lot of different options it's giving me. It's giving me the video references that it's going off of, so I can see other ads that's referencing this content for, and even scroll through these and click into them if I want to see. And these are top ads in that category. So I could even search whatever my category is. If it was food, for example, I could click in there and see these top performing ads. If I click this, it'll bring up this ad here, and we'll be able to see its stats. So who's doing it, the caption, the landing page, and how it's performing as well, and the overall analysis of the ad as well. So we can see the script, how it analyzes it, and what techniques it uses in here to sell their product. And if I click view more, you'll see what it does, and it breaks this all down in AI completely free. And this is really valuable info coming from an ad that is performing well. And you can even see things like their click-through rate, their conversions, their clicks, etc. And you can also see other similar recommended ones and see these analytics. So this TikTok tool is extremely helpful, and they also have these other creative tools as well. We're using the Symphony Assistant, but you can use any of these other ones they have as well. So that's that first tool. Now this next tool is in Reddit, and you do need a free account on Reddit, which you can create their ad account. Now they do have an ad inspiration library, but they recently launched their AI copywriter. So if we click into this, you're gonna see it's just another AI tool, but you're able to give it some info about your brand, your product background, and it lets you choose your call to action here. So if you want someone to sign up or they can shop now, a lot of different options. The overall campaign objective, which is normal for most meta ads. Any interest groups, so you can add any different groups that have specific interests. So maybe I put something like fitness or something along those lines. So I could add those interest groups into here. And then it lets me refine my prompt. So it lets me choose my tone for a bunch of different options here. And once I'm done, I click generate headlines. And for this product, I did a portable power bank for the example. And you'll see it'll start to generate these different headlines here. Sick of your phone dying at the worst times, our portable power bank, blah, blah, blah. And you'll see all the different options it gives us. And if I need to make any adjustments, I can do that here. So I could say, make it more feature focused. And if I gave it more features, it would then be able to generate these again and be able to give me more info on that and focus more on that side of things. As you can see here, if I want to, I just click copy and I can copy that. So this is a great way to come up with the headlines. They don't have the full AI features like TikTok's one. TikTok's is great, so I would focus on that one a lot more. But this can be good to get some other options in your headlines in general as well. So those are the two ways you can easily create some ad copy and even get ad ideas. That TikTok tool is extremely beneficial. If you're not already signed up for an ad account or a business account, it's completely free to use those tools. So I would highly recommend doing that.
Tired of feeling overwhelmed with marketing your small business? Let our experienced marketing team help your business grow. With personalized strategies tailored to meet your needs, we'll help you stand out in a crowded market. Contact us today for more information at foxsocialmedia.com. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at foxsocialmedia.com. On our website, you'll find that we have done-for-you services through Fox Social Media, where we help businesses, practices, and brands to market, advertise, and grow online. And we've been doing this since 2010. This is a done-for-you service. We also have services for very small business owners, entrepreneurs, and solopreneurs who can't afford done-for-you services. And this is a very inexpensive program called Simple Marketing Support, where we're there to teach you, support you, and answer your questions. You can find more about all of our services if you go to foxsocialmedia.com. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode.